This 2026 Entegra Coach Arc Ram ProMaster 1518C is a Class C RV. It is located in Medford, Oregon, 97504 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV Medford. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Entegra Coach is 17 feet 0 inches in length and 21 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features front bath, mid-kitchen, rear bath. This 2026 Entegra Coach Arc Ram ProMaster 1518C and is powered by a 3.6 LV 624 volts engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.